purpose without direction is like a ship without rudder. Yung destiny natin, yung calling natin, yung purpose natin, kapag walang malinaw na direksyon yan, walang plano, walang hakbang, para tayo may strategic planning tayo. Para kang isang barko na wala kang timon. Ang barkong walang timon, maliligaw. Masisira at mapapahamak. So again, we can have the talent, but without focus, we will never arrive God's given destiny. So ito yung ika-anim na principle when it comes to doer mentality. Destiny without decision.